Hello guys, so I'm in Milan because I have the shooting for 4 days and I thought we are in Milan, we have to do some photos, why not street photography? So today I will take you with me and we are going out in the streets of Milan to have some incredible shots. Let's go. We are in the elevator. Okay, but I think that could be a good one. If you're having photos like this, for sure you should make it darker, because if you make it darker you can always recover some shadow. Instead, if you blow up, you cannot recover some highlights. So it's always better with shadows. We just take a photo like detective, you know. Yeah, I'm searching the train station because there will be a lot of people here and trams and all that stuff, you know, lights, strange lights and all that stuff. So we are here. I have a 50mm lens with f1.8. My settings changing every time, so it's nothing fixed, you know. You have to change. It depends with the light, with everything. So okay guys, I think I found a beautiful photo, but I need the perfect timing. I don't know if I can have it with all these trams here and then the cars. No, it's gone. I hope another tram will pass until the sun goes down. Maybe we can do something like yeah, something like this. Get ready, guys. No, it's okay, I think. No, okay, those maybe not, but this one is pretty cool. Okay. I don't like the cars. I don't want the cars. Okay, I think we've got it. It's actually a really cool place to have some shots. If you are confident to speak also with people, to ask for photos, it will be great. Yeah, let's go to a place that we never gone before. Maybe we'll find something special there, or maybe not, who knows. But this is the good thing with photography. You have to explore, guys. Go out and explore. Okay, I think we found a place, guys, for a photo. Okay. Okay, more Instagram photo, this one. Okay. This thing seems like something else, guys. I don't know if some of you understand what I mean, but it truly looks like something else. Hey guys, I found something special. Maybe okay, the cool thing is that it's going darker and darker, so okay guys, we're still not in the train station, but there is darker here and I like the whole theme. Okay, I think we nailed it. Okay, good one. That was good one. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Okay, maybe we have it now. Wow. Yeah, the effect is good, but the photo is shit. You know? Nothing. Let's go to the train station. We have to wait for a train and we have to nail the shot immediately. The first shot should be nailed. Let's try to have a shot even if there is no train. Maybe we can find our position. Okay, this one is good even if there is no train.
Treno regionale 10074 di Trenord delle ore 20:23 proveniente da Mortara è in arrivo al binario 1. Attenzione, allontanarsi dalla linea gialla.
Okay, in the line 1. I think we are in the line 1, but okay, let's wait. I think I found my position. Obviously without train I can't know. It's impossible to know what you want to do without train, but let's see. We try the first shot, guys. It's a challenge. Okay, this is a challenge. We try the first shot of the first train. If we don't nailed it, we're going home. Okay, done. Challenge begins when the train comes. Wow. We have to wait. The challenge is on. First shot, first train. Nailed. Or not. This is the challenge. So remember, you have to comment down in the comments about that shot. If I nailed it or not. If I win the challenge or if I didn't. Oh, the train is coming. First train, first shot. Challenge. Let's go, guys. Okay, made it. I did it. I did more shots, but I will be honest, I put the first one. That was about today's video. See you in the next video. Peace.